Hello guys, this is Bonnie. Welcome to Heat Press Leader Machine Guide video. So today we will guide you the whole heat pressing from the preparation to the machine shutdown. If you are interested in continue studying our machine, please subscribe our channel on YouTube. So before the officially heat pressing, you need these materials: the blank t-shirt, the DTF film with design, the Teflon sheet, and the Teflon tape if you want to fix the design on your garment. The most important of this whole process is this. And the first time you receive the machine, you need to check the voltage. If it is 110 voltage or it is 220 voltage, okay? And next, you need to connect the power. Please remember this red buckle. So every time you want to pull the plug off, you need to click the red buckle so the plug won't broken, okay? Connect the power supply and turn on the switch. Next, let's take a look at the display and set required data. On this page, you can see PV is the current temperature, SV is the temperature we set. When the machine is pressing, it will become a countdown time. The left side signs shows the status of the machine. The first one is heating, the second one is counting down, and the third one is motor status. Enter the settings. P1 sets the temperature, P2 sets the time, P3 sets the temperature unit. We have two temperature units, Celsius and Fahrenheit. P4 sets pressure. We recommend 26 to 28 for DTF transfer of common t-shirts and other clothing. P5, sleeping mode setting. You can set the machine to sleep automatically if it is not running for 1 to 120 minutes. After all the settings are completed, return to the initial page and all these settings will take effect. The machine will automatically save the last set data every time it is turned off, so you don't need to set it every time you open it. Back to the operation of the machine. We provide 3 operation modes: full automatically, semi-automatically, freestyle. Press 2 green buttons at the same time or step on foot pedal to start the pressing. Press the red button on the top to stop the operation. Remember to reset this button after each use, otherwise you will stop the machine. The first one is the full automatically mode. Turn the button to automatic mode. Press the 2 green buttons at the same time or step on foot pedal to start the operation. The machine will enter the full automatically mode, automatically pressing down to open, move to another station, and repeat the work until you press the red button. The second one is semi-automatic mode. Turn the button to the manual mode. Press the 2 green buttons at the same time or step on the foot pedal to start the operation. After pressing once, it will stop. The third one is the freestyle. The button remains in manual mode. Open the lower box. Turn the small switch downward. At this time, the green button can only control the pressing. The foot pedal can only control the left and right moving. If you are in Europe and some local regulations require you not to use an automatically pressing machine, you can switch to this mode. If you only use one workstation, select one for P6 and work in freestyle will bring a good user experience. Loosen the screws of the laser, adjust the laser, and fix it. 2 lasers decide the position of the collar, and 2 lasers decide the position of the pattern. The black part of the cloth covers is elastic. You can put it on the heating plate on the base to prevent the heating plate and silicone from being dirty. It will also make it easy for you to threading code on the lower plate. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video can help you a lot. If you want to continue studying our machine, please subscribe our channel on YouTube.